cheese, I dump it in here. Then I'm gonna cut up some jalapenos, cilantro, put garlic in it, salt and pepper, and then any type of mixture. Deal with everything. And that's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, too much, guys.
This is why you don't touch capacitors. One. He just seized the broom. Ah.
Yeah, this one's slippery. That was noisy. pictures, and my mom wants to do the whole dipping thing.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Come on, Mom. Alright, so let's see. Right there.
Jalapenos.
Mom approved. Wonderful. And now it's ready to eat.
Yay. Y'all stay tuned.
That takes some, and even like when we do this, like I could have had this already probably chopped up, put in there and done because I would have just did it really fast. But then when I'm doing this kind of stuff, and then I have to stop, I have to take photos, and then I have to do this process, and then I have to stop and take photos, or else I don't have any
What
photos.
a pretty lady on that screen.
Sometimes you'll see this, me doing this on camera, and I'm looking at Chris, and I'm like, I'm prepping, babe. I don't know what's eyes on me. Because she's always on video. I don't need pictures until after I put it in a bowl in here. Because I never use that one.
Yes, I need the stir, so.
Oh, I know. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'll wad it up. There's a cheese ball, everybody. Alright.
Yeah, I like the ball.
Yes, ma'am. I gotta prep some crackers, babe. I don't want broken ones in there.
Oh, like the chips the other day.
Oh my gosh, that was so terrible. It was, it was about a month ago. We were doing a recipe, and we went to go get our pita chips to put them out on there, and they were all broken. And I was like, oh! So I had to like literally make it look like the whole part was down, so it looked like a whole one. I was like, no! I know.
You didn't pass the test. In the bag you go.
Nope. Put garlic in it, salt and pepper, and then I need to take a picture. And then I have to mix it up and take another picture. And I have to put it in a cheese bowl and take another picture.
Okay, so we're doing the cream cheese first?
Yeah.
Okay.